How to make money on Etsy, 10 best practices. The good news is that it's certainly possible to make money on Etsy. But the reality is that simply setting up an Etsy shop and hoping for the best isn't likely to cut it. Whether you want to sell products as a side hustle or hope to earn a full-time income from your Etsy store, there are several keys to upping your odds of making more money. Let's walk through each step by step. 1. Choose and research your niche. The Etsy marketplace is now home to literally millions of different shop pages. When it comes to how to make money on Etsy, one of the most foundational keys is to select and cater to a specific niche. A niche is a group of people most likely to buy a specific type of product due to their shared interests, needs, or demographics. Just a few examples of niches include pet owners, gamers, book lovers, eco-conscious customers, and sports enthusiasts. The most important parts of choosing a successful niche are: be specific, but not too specific. For instance, while there are indeed Etsy sellers who cater specifically to corgi lovers, defining your target audience as males over 30 who love dachshunds, gourmet cooking, and coin collecting may be a tad overboard. Make sure to select a niche with plenty of demand. Choose a niche you relate to. Whether you love vintage items or creating abstract wall art, choosing a niche that caters to your skills and interests will make running your online store much more fun. It will also make it easier for you to spot gaps in your niche that you may be in a unique position to fill. 2. Sell high-quality products. If there's one thing all Etsy sellers know to be accurate, it's that nothing is more important than selling high-quality products. Many Etsy sellers rely on positive reviews, reputation, and a loyal customer base to turn their listings into extra cash. Selling Etsy products that are unique, striking, and made from long-lasting materials is the recipe for success. Make sure to research the product listings of other sellers in your niche to ensure that the quality of your products is on point. 3. Optimize your listings. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the art of using specific keywords in your product listings to help potential customers find them more easily. Think about the type of things someone might type into a search bar when looking for each of your products. Adding these words and phrases to your detailed product listings can help increase the odds that your products will rank higher in Etsy search results. Check out this helpful guide to understand how the Etsy search algorithm works. Don't be shy about including all the relevant information about your items in your listings, and ensure you feature high-quality images that portray your products accurately and sufficiently. A recent survey of Etsy customers revealed that great product photos were the #1 thing that influenced customers to make a purchase. 4. Customize your Etsy store and leverage seller resources. Etsy stores come with a few customization options. Taking advantage of them is essential. Come up with a relevant and memorable shop name and upload a shop icon, a visually attractive shop banner, and a seller's photo to help your store stand out. It's definitely worth going over Etsy's customization guides to familiarize yourself with ways to set yourself apart from other Etsy sellers. One of the great things about starting an Etsy business is that the platform offers plenty of resources designed to help you succeed. You'll find all kinds of useful tips and tricks in the Etsy Seller Handbook. You can even pick up some great tips on making money on Etsy directly from other sellers in the Etsy community forums. 5. Provide exceptional customer service. Before you start selling, it's vital to make sure you establish a clear refund and return policy. Stating which products can be returned and within what amount of time can create trust among your target audience, help you avoid potential disputes, and deter negative reviews. But if you really want to stand out among other Etsy shop owners, make an effort to go above and beyond by providing exceptional customer service. Respond promptly to any customer questions and do your best to provide timely, professional solutions to any complaints. You might even consider following up with a thank you note each time a product sells or including a small gift or discount code with each order. Sometimes the little things can make your Etsy store stand out. 6. Take advantage of print on demand. Want to learn how to make money on Etsy without worrying about purchasing craft supplies, dealing with product fulfillment, managing inventory, or even shipping orders? The answer lies in partnering with a print-on-demand (POD) company like Gelato. When you sign up for a free Gelato account, you can upload your custom designs to your user dashboard and choose which of our high-quality products you'd like to feature them on. Simply connect your Gelato account to your Etsy store using our easy integration and offer the products of your choice to potential customers. The best part is that you don't actually have to purchase anything until a product sells. When it does, Gelato will take care of everything from order fulfillment to shipping so that you can concentrate on creating. 7. Focus on sustainability. Recent studies in market research confirm that sustainability has become a far more significant consideration for today's customers than ever before. Utilizing sustainable products or selling methods is excellent for the environment and gives your business a unique selling point that can drive customer loyalty. At Gelato, we use sustainably sourced materials and offer organic clothing options for adults and even organic kids' clothing. You might even consider adding our eco-friendly items, like reusable water bottles or tote bags, to your Etsy shop. As part of our commitment to sustainability, we also utilize a network of over 130 local producers worldwide to offer e-commerce sellers a smarter, greener solution. Our vast producer network lets us quickly ship to customers worldwide while reducing carbon emissions. 8. Promote your shop. No matter what you choose to sell on Etsy, advertising is the crucial element that can make or break your success. No matter how catchy your shop name or how great your products are, making money will be a lot harder if no one knows you exist. Make sure you create a dedicated business page for your Etsy shop on all the major social media channels and use them to get the word out about your products. In addition to regular posting, you may even choose to invest in paid social media advertising to help get the word out about your Etsy store. You can also invest in paid advertising on the Etsy platform with Etsy Ads. Building an email list is also a great way to stay in touch with your customers about product information, updates, and promotions or sales. 9. Experiment with your pricing. Deciding on a reasonable product price can be among the biggest challenges for first-time sellers. Not only will you want to keep your production costs in mind, but also Etsy's fees. While you don't have to pay a monthly subscription to sell on Etsy, it's not entirely free, especially if you make a sale. Here's a breakdown of the fees Etsy charges. 1. Listing fees. You'll pay a small listing fee of 20 cents for each product you want to list. 2. Transaction fee. Each time a product sells through Etsy, the platform deducts a transaction fee of 6.5% of your price plus any shipping or gift wrapping charges that may apply. 3. Payment processing fee. If you make a sale through Etsy payments, you'll also be subject to a payment processing fee, which can vary depending on your home country. While it's essential to price your product high enough to recoup your production costs and Etsy's selling fees, it's also important not to go overboard. Check out similar products that sell on Etsy to get a feel for average prices. Additionally, don't be afraid to test various price points, increase the prices of unique products, and listen to customer feedback. You might even consider offering bundling discounts to help encourage sales as you perfect your pricing model. 10. Stay on the cutting edge. Last but not least, stay current on the latest trends and constantly look for ways to incorporate them into the products you sell on Etsy. Keep your customers returning for more by adding new products or designs regularly. Establishing a solid reputation on Etsy is a journey, so don't fall prey to discouragement if you don't become a top seller overnight. Over time, you'll establish a loyal customer base by constantly working to enhance your storefront, listings, and customer service. What types of products can you sell on Etsy? You can sell a host of different products on Etsy, from handmade furniture and custom apparel like t-shirts and hoodies to accessories like hats and engraved jewelry. Etsy is also home to personalized calendars and digital products like printables. Your options for products to sell on Etsy are limitless, but if you're wondering what kind of products are most popular, they typically belong to these categories. 1. Clothing and textiles. 2. Jewelry. 3. Personalized items. 4. Homeware. 5. Art and collectibles. 6. Handmade cosmetics and spa products. 7. Wedding items. 8. Craft supplies. As always, it takes time to build up a good client base. Have patience and it will happen.